Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today we are diving into the installation and setup of RSS Aggregator by Feedzy. With Feedzy RSS Aggregator, you can sit back, let your site autoblog. So let's dive in. So first we will be installing this plugin, then activate it. You get here 3 options to integrate Feedzy into your website. So let's choose importing RSS feeds to your website content and click get started. If you already have a RSS feed URL, you can paste it over here, or you can click here to get the demo URL. Let's use the demo one. Then click on save and continue. Moving on to next step, you get the option import as post or page. Then you can publish or draft this post. You can also choose a fallback image from here. So from here, we can select the file. We are selecting our Buddy Developer logo. Now this fallback image is set. There's also a section exclude post with title not containing. You can add here keywords. You can add according to yourself. Then click on create a draft import. If you wish, you can avail from here extra features. And then comes the final touch-up. Just enter your email ID and click on complete setup and start using Feedzy. And you are done. You are now directed to the Feedzy dashboard. From here, you can import posts, logs, and you can also dive into the settings. You can see here how to use feed to post. You also get a shortcode, referral links, paraphrase and translate content, enhanced Elementor support. Via quick links, you can change settings, import posts, and go into logs. So that's it for this video. Thank you. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our